how to add free shipping over a certain amount on Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to your settings, and then you're gonna have to go to shipping and delivery, and then here you have your general shipping rates, and here you have other options, as you can see right here. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to general, and then you're gonna have to click on add rate, and here, as you can see, you're gonna have to add conditional pricing, and then you're gonna have to choose based on order price, and here you can see the minimum and the maximum, and I suggest you to leave no limit, and here enter the minimum order in order to get free shipping. So here you're gonna have to leave it to 0, here set the minimum, and here where it says custom rate name, simply name it free shipping, so people can see that they're gonna receive free shipping, and then click on save, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.